everyone. I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today in this video I am going to discuss how to prepare descriptive for IBPS PO mains examination. So a lot of you guys have cleared this prelims. So now it is time to prepare for the mains examination, and in this video I am going to tell you my experience from my experience how to prepare for descriptive, okay, and how I prepared the descriptive for SBI PO mains examination. So there are many PDFs circulating on Telegram for this descriptive test. So what you can do is you can download these PDFs and try to write some important topics of descriptive. Like in SBI PO mains examination, the topic of privatization of banks was asked because it was a hot topic. It was circulating in the news again and again. Okay, so you can choose some important topics which are in news nowadays, and then you can try yourself to write. So now you can see that I have written an essay on impacts of social media, which is like very important nowadays. Then I wrote a letter to the bank manager about the irresponsibility of bank employees. So in the descriptive section, it is very easy to write the letter, but many people find difficulties in essays. Okay, for letter, what you have to do is this format. Like you can make your own format, or you can just write this also. Try to memorize this so that you do not get confused in the mains examination, and you just write the format as it is. Okay, you can choose one format for yourself, like one address like this, and then the date, and then this. Okay, so you can choose one same address in every letter. So this is a formal letter, so I chose this address and I wrote the same address in SBI PO mains descriptive examination. Then for informal letter, so this was the informal letter which I wrote, and this was my format for the informal letter. Okay, the informal letter is that which you write to your relatives or your friends or your parents, but the formal letter is that which you write to an authority or an officer. Okay, so you can just memorize these formats which you can find in any PDFs, and then try to write the essay and PDF by essay and letter by yourself. After that, the most important thing is that you do not have to make any grammatical mistakes. Please try to check your grammatical mistakes, and for checking that, what you can do is Guildly is providing like 20 letters and 20 essays free for practice. You can go on their website and then you can try to write the essay and letter daily. Like we have roughly 17 days to prepare for the mains examination, and there are 20 essay and 20 letters, and that are enough. They will tell you your grammatical mistake and your context mistakes. Okay, so you can just go and write the practice the essays and letters. The link will be given in the description. Okay, and you can use Grammarly also, like this. I used Grammarly and I used Guidely's the tests also. So in this Grammarly, they find the minor mistakes in grammar and then they tell you the mistakes. Okay, so I wrote around one, like I wrote 7 to 8 letters, and then I used to write one letter and one essay daily. And if you start writing one essay and one letter daily, then you will not find it difficult to write the essays and write the letters. Okay, so how this is how it works. You have to write, they will tell you the words here. So it is of 261 words. They will tell you the performance also, and if you have done any grammatical mistakes, then there will be red line, and they will also suggest you the things which you can fill and make your sentence correct. Okay, so this is what you can use. And you can use grammar, you can use Guidely's course also, which is for free, and then you can prepare your descriptive. Okay, just start writing one essay and one letter daily, and you will not find this thing difficult. It is very easy. In SBI PO mains also, I did not found any difficulty in writing the any essay or letter. Okay, and one more thing is that Please try to be careful about the word limit. There was no word limit for letter in SBI PO. So I wrote the letter in around 155 words, but there was limit given for essay. Okay, and I was not able to see that the limit is given for essay. So I wrote the essay in around 245 words, but the limit was 200. So you do not have to repeat this mistake, and please try to maintain your word limit in the descriptive section. So that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day. And I wish you all the best for the mains examination.